If you are someone who is living paycheck to paycheck, where sometimes there's more month than it is money, this video is for you. What I want to teach you throughout our 14-day engagement is how to use your money as a tool so that you can eliminate debt, build an emergency fund, cash flow, and just live a comfortable life where you can sleep at night knowing that your finances are in order. Whatever the goal may be, we're going to use our money to make that a reality. If you find yourself with more month than it is money, you're constantly unable to save money, you're constantly getting behind on bills, that means that you have too many bills and you need to get rid of some and act your true wage and use some money to build freedom. If you don't give up what you currently have, what you want will be the sacrifice. You have to sacrifice unnecessary expenses. If you can't afford it, you don't deserve it. Another great way to save money is by finding substitutes in which you can give up something for something less but still get the same feeling. How can you align your goals to your budget if you don't know how to properly create goals? We are not going to leave it up to chance. We're going to be intentional about where we want to be in the future. And that means that every dollar that we earn, we want to give a specific job so that we can create the life that we want in the future. We create a money management system within your bank that's going to allow you to organize your finances so that you can see yourself out of this hole. We have to make sure that we avoid unnecessary fees such as overdrafts, late fees, and interest penalties. This is important because this is going to allow us to create some organization to minimize confusion and chaos. We're going to be able to structure our banking accounts in a way that's going to serve us. And with us restructuring your banking in a way where you can see everything that's being done for yourself separately, you're going to be able to see the gains in your life and you're going to be able to use that to reach your goals. You have to create a profit for yourself. And up until this point, you have not. One of your greatest strengths is to know your weakness and then set yourself up so that your weakness does not hurt. Automate the saving part for yourself. That way you don't have to physically do it and you don't have to worry about touching that money, because out of sight, out of mind, you won't see it, but it will grow with or without you. Well, I mean, you got to earn the money, but you know what I mean. Hope is a terrible plan. What I'm going to give to you is a long-term fix for your money management and your financial issues. As long as your goals are action-oriented, meaning that they're totally within your control, you will be successful when it comes to the money game. Don't wish for it, work for it, baby.